Planet Earth was born about 4.54 billion years ago, during the early formation of our solar system. Its story begins with a vast, cold cloud of gas and dust floating in space, known as the solar nebula. This cloud contained the raw materials left over from older stars that had exploded long before our sun existed. The birth of the sun and solar system. About 4.6 billion years ago, a disturbance, possibly a nearby supernova, caused parts of the solar nebula to collapse under gravity. As the cloud shrank, it began spinning faster and flattened into a disk. Most of the material collected at the center, forming the young sun. Around it, the remaining dust and gas formed a rotating disk called the protoplanetary disk. Within this disk, tiny particles collided and stuck together, forming larger clumps called planetesimals. Over millions of years, these grew into protoplanets, the early building blocks of planets. Earth's early formation. Earth began as one of these protoplanets in the inner solar system, where temperatures were high and only rocky materials could survive. Repeated collisions with planetesimals caused Earth to grow larger and hotter. The energy from impacts and radioactive decay melted much of the young planet, creating a global magma ocean. During this molten stage, heavy elements like iron and nickel sank toward the center, forming Earth's core, while lighter materials rose to form the mantle and crust. This process, called planetary differentiation, gave Earth its layered structure: core, mantle, and crust. The giant impact and the moon. One of the most dramatic events in Earth's birth occurred about 4.5 billion years ago. A Mars-sized protoplanet, often called Theia, collided with the young Earth. The impact ejected enormous amounts of molten rock into space. Over time, this debris gathered and formed Earth's natural satellite, the Moon. This collision reshaped Earth, increasing its rotation speed and possibly tilting its axis. The Moon's gravitational pull later helped stabilize Earth's tilt, which plays an important role in climate and seasons, cooling, and the first atmosphere. After the giant impact, Earth remained extremely hot for millions of years. Gradually, its surface cooled, allowing a solid crust to form. Volcanic eruptions released gases trapped inside the planet: water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and other compounds, creating Earth's first atmosphere. As the planet cooled further, water vapor condensed into liquid rain. Over millions of years, rain filled low areas of the crust, forming the first oceans. These oceans appeared by about 4.3 to 4.4 billion years ago, making Earth one of the few known planets with stable liquid water on its surface. Early Earth was a violent place. Asteroid impacts were frequent, volcanoes were widespread, and the atmosphere lacked oxygen. Yet these conditions set the stage for future life. Chemical reactions in the oceans and atmosphere gradually produced complex organic molecules. By around 3.8 to 4.0 billion years ago, the period of heavy bombardment declined. Earth's crust stabilized into primitive continents, and its oceans persisted. Within a few hundred million years, the earliest life forms, simple microscopic organisms, appeared. Earth today, from a molten protoplanet to a water-rich world teeming with life. Earth's birth was shaped by cosmic collisions, internal heat, and gradual cooling. Its layered interior, protective atmosphere, abundant water, and stabilizing moon all trace back to events during its formation. Thus, Earth was not created in a single moment, but emerged through billions of years of cosmic evolution. An ordinary rocky planet that, through a unique combination of conditions, became an extraordinary home for life.